Hi, this video will show you how to do a data top-up using your tablet, PC or handphone. To begin, go to the website www.sgtopup.com. This is our login page. Please key in your mobile phone number and password to log in. To do data top-up, click on Reload Singapore Data on the left. Select the telco operator you want from here. Next, choose the data plan. Key in the mobile phone number to be top up here. Verify that the mobile number, data plan is correct and click confirm. To top up StarHub or M1 data plans, repeat the same steps. Select the telco, choose the data plan, key in the mobile phone number, verify the details, and click confirm. Should you have any queries, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 9856 1088. Thank you.